Hi everyone, vanakkam eppadi irkeenga? Welcome back to Kamo's Kitchen Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade almond butter without any added oil or any added preservatives with just only one ingredient, raw almonds. Let's get started. Almond butter is high in protein and fiber, and its unsaturated fat content play a very important role in controlling blood sugar, and its best natural source of vitamin E, which helps to lower cholesterol, and they help to avoid weight gain. Despite the high calorie content, you likely feel more energetic, more productive, more happier, and sleep really well. You can certainly buy this at grocery store, but there is nothing quite like homemade, and I think you will be really surprised to see just how easy it is to make by yourself. I'm using food processor today to make my almond butter, but you can use any powerful blender. I have taken 1 cup of raw almonds. I highly recommend to warm up your almonds either in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350°F, or you can simply roast them like 5 to 8 minutes in a pan, which I did today, until the almonds turn nice golden brown color. You can completely skip this step, but I find the warm almonds turn into butter faster than room temperature almonds. This entire process really requires patience. It takes about 15 to 25 minutes to get a fresh, creamy, smooth, delicious homemade almond butter. Now I'm going to transfer my warm almonds into the food processor. And just give it a start with few pulses just to break down the almonds. After few pulses, put it on and then it will begin to blend well. At first you will see your almonds look like an almond flour, but just keep one thing in mind. You need to shut it off every now and then to scrape the sides if you see the almonds starting to get stick to the sides. Then you will notice that it will all come together a little bit more, and then it forms a big lumps like a circle shape. And now this is the right time to add the salt. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. After adding the salt, put the lid back on. In just few minutes, you will see the oil released from the almonds will turn into smooth and creamy texture. Wow, our fresh, creamy, smooth, delicious almond butter is ready. The best way to store it is any kind of airtight container and store it in the fridge, and it will last you up to a month. Kids would love this rich and delicious almond butter when you spread it over their morning toast and crackers. You can mix it in your morning smoothies and also make almond butter cookies, and this would be a perfect dip for your veggies and fruits. Thank you for watching this week's episode of Kamo's Kitchen Cuisine. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and give me a comment. Take care of yourself and each other. Until then, bye-bye.